Friends, back again with a new episode. Greenhouse welcomes you all. Greenhouse is at 452B Kiatala Road, Kolkata. And my booking number 8981070339. And new viewers were all welcome. And please do subscribe the channel, dear friends, so that you get notifications on time, which will help you to select and reach to me early. As early as you get the channel notification, you'll be able to contact me. That will help you. Otherwise, you'll miss the bus. I'm again telling you. Thank you, friends. We start with our graceful cottons. Yes, these are the mix match ones on cottons. All needlework from Greenhouse. This is on a royal blue handloom cotton. Look at this. These are all needlework. They're all mix match stitches inspired by Lambani work. My women team, they're doing this work. This is the first sari of today's episode with all along a broad border. The yoke is covered and the lower below this daman section is all throughout this needlework. Plenty of mix match stitches and very scarcely sequence has been put to just give a little luster. This is the part. This is the blouse piece of the sari. The sari is for 4600. 4600, dear friends, for all my mix match ones. क्या खूबसूरत है, देखिए ये साड़ी. क्या मजेदार साड़ी है. ये पहनिए. Look at this. Select this one. Come forward. Come forward. I'm looking for your screenshots. Send me screenshots. This is the one. This is again the same kind. And they are very much in demand from Greenhouse. These are all coarsely done up like the Banjara stitches. This is the blouse piece of the sari. All going for 4600, dear friends. They aren't very fine embroidery, intricate ones. This is the beauty, the coarseness. এখানেও সব ভিলেজ ওম্যান এরা বসে এই সমস্ত শাড়ি তৈরি করছে. They are not very much expert and all on this subject, but everybody can do this and they are happy doing all these in summer afternoons. Dekho, look at this. These are all from my women team. All mix match ones, coarsely done up, but they look so fabulous. They are mainly with katha stitches and these are little scarcely done up with sequins and the fishbone stitches. Plenty of stitches, lazy daisy, what not. Stem stitches are always there. The knot stitches are there. This is the one. So very beautiful. And then elaborate achol. What a style. Come on, grab these pieces. They are very beautiful pieces. Going for 4600, and if you're taking, as usual, Greenhouse is giving for 2 saris, if you're taking, you're getting 10% discount. 10% from this episode. Every time I will give you For this episode, if you're taking two saris from one episode, two saris, then you're getting 10% discount. Look at this. Look at this matching of colors. Fantastic look. मजे से पहनिए गर्मियों में. And encourage my team. It's a खूब expert ता नॉय. They will do it coarsely, but it comes out so beautifully. They have that color sense. It's a खूब fine কাজ করেছে তা নয়, কিন্তু it comes out so very beautiful. Look at this. And this is a simple khadi sari. Khadi sari is printed like this. What a style. Look at these, they are all Bengali alphabets. অ আ রস্বই দীর্ঘই ক খ সবই রয়েছে. What a beauty. And this is for going for how much? This is going for 1200 only, dear friends. 1200 for a beauty. Look at this. Style with this sari. And egulo dekhun, hand painting in a different way. Hand painting on this sari. It has become so beautiful after hand painting. Simple, sweet one. Ash grey with the black bordering. And this setup is like this. Hand painting, they're washable ones. 5.5 meters in length. Friends like you, please share the channel if you have liked. It will help me, it will help other friends also who are interested but they can't reach me. This is the one. Meena, the hand painted ones are for how much? Huh? 2050. Yes. Look at this Alpona in a different way. এই শাড়িটা দেখুন, so beautiful. Beautifully done up. With dual border. Have you noticed? This is that black and then down below it's red in color. 2050. These are all hand painted ones. And there's this beauty with Resham Kota. Resham Kota. This is a cloth, handloom cloth. And then on it, there are several stitches done up to highlight. And the triangles, we've created these patches. Simple, but it looks nice when worn smartly. Such a beauty on Resham Kota. All handwork, handcrafted stuff you'll get from Greenhouse. Always touches of Greenhouse you'll find in every sari of mine. This is for 2400. 2400, dear friends, is a bright and very light. It doesn't have a weight, very feather light. You'll feel nice wearing all these saris for summers. And this is the half tussar design. This time we've made this design for you. We have done it several colors. Colors we have already shown. These are all herringbone stitches and katha stitches. Katha and herringbone, and there are three. This thing. This lines for the archel. And lot of this thing, lot of कारीगरी, बहुत काम है, काफी काम है और बहुत खूबसूरत बना हुआ है साड़ी. क्या निखर रहा है रंग. These are all half tussars. Half tussars are not synthetic ones. They are not semi tussars, my dear friend. Their half tussars are mixed with cotton, tussar and cotton. This is the one on Resham Kota. My young friends have been always telling me, you give us some bright colors. So I've made bright ones this time. Look at this. Very bright yellow and pink. Hope I could satisfy you all. Dekho, look at this with the blouse. Isn't it nice? Resham Kota. Resham Kota, beautiful yellow one. Arite kono kalo nei. There's not just single touch of black. So for Gaye Hulud also you can have this. Gaye Hulud jonne khub sundor lagbe, khub mishti lagbe porle. Gaye Hulud shari hote pare eta. And this is going for 3,200. This is going for 3,200, dear friends. Cottons, this needs to get polished. We had two pieces. Now one we have sold, and this need to have polished. This is the second piece made. What a beauty. I always like the small tiny checks. I am looking for these checks for a long time. The pink and white, every time my tati comes, my weaver comes, he'll say, no, I can't give you this time, but now they're ready and I got a lot of them from there. This pink and white check, they look very smart. Even we have the black and white ones. They look very smart. And the embroidery, they're all handcrafted ones. Those who are fond of handwork, they're very satisfied with our products, I've seen. It's all handwork, and this is costing 4,800. There's plenty of very different type of stitches. They are difficult to do. They take time. Difficult money, they are time consuming. There are plenty of interesting stitches over here. So this is for 4,800, dear friends. 4,800. And these are the lightweight material. But again, this is lightweight, halki hai. And the stitches are all needlework, handmade. Handmade stitches, all Parsi motifs. And with the beige contrast archel. Archel ta dekho. It's a short archel. Again, it has come in fashion. The short archel. Looks so stylish. And this is a soft zari. Very soft. It isn't stiff, dear friends. They're very soft. This is the blouse piece which will highlight the sari. The blouse piece is such a good color. This is one part of the sleeves and the other part is over here. Both the parts I've shown you. that embroidery and this one. This actually it goes with the sari and it will just beautify the sari. ये पहनने से ही सुंदर लगता है. And these are going for how much? I'm forgetting everything now. 4,600. 4,600, dear friends. With the blouse piece, the complete look of the sari, and this is giving a very good fall also. It falls, the pleats come in place, and very light, 4,600. I'm sure you'll have to like this. It's a very good color. And this is the one. Excuse me. This is a woven border, but we have selected keeping in mind that everybody needs to, they want all soft things. It shouldn't get for the skin. This is also very smooth, skin friendly. It is not that pricking one. Soft and beautiful. And this is this is the देखो नेटा, this is the आंचल of the sari. क्या झकाझक सुंदर साड़ी है. मुस्कुराती खिलखिलाती साड़ियाँ आ गई हैं आपके पास. Very beautiful. These are all going for 4,600. And these are the silk cotton ones. Silk cotton saris. Silk cotton saris are these. They're Dabo printed silk cotton saris. You could see the weave inside. It's so light to carry. एगुलो यूज करूँ फॉर योर समर्स. आराम से इसको पहनिए. आराम ही आराम है इस साड़ी में. Look at this. These are all casual wear, daily wear sarees, what I have shown you today. Simple. They're for casual uses whenever you want to shop around and all. So this is a lightweight saree, Dabu. These are going for 3,100. 3,100 for each piece. And this color. This lustrous part, it isn't stiff. It's very soft. This lustrous part is soft and smooth texture. And you could make out the weave. There's a weave, special weave on the material, and on it this has been done. Dabu printed ones from Greenhouse. Lightweight sarees for 3,100. Dear friends, this is the material actually. This was the material. This was the material with weaves. Self-woven. This is the blouse piece. This is for 3,100. And the same thing applies if you're taking two sarees together, you're getting 10% discount on the sarees. Dekho, look at this. Pink and purple again gives a very beautiful thing. Pink and purple बहुत भाता है, काफी अच्छा लगता है. देखिए क्या मजा आया साड़ी दिखाने में. सुंदर सुंदर साड़ियाँ दिखाते हैं हम. Select one of them and come to us fast. And select the sarees and keeping in mind, but don't hold the sarees for a long time and then refuse taking it. That hurts us. Somebody else could take it. These are the kotas. So many of you asked for kotas. Kotas from Rajasthan. Kotar kota. They're all beautiful kotas. The whole day I was wearing kota. For last 2 days. Kotas are so comfortable. And this is the blouse piece with the cotton, smooth, beautiful blouse piece with the kota, and these are going for 2200 dear. 2200 for my kotas. They're all JP kota. आराम से पहनिए, हल्की है और मजे से पहनिए. 2200 फटाफट दिखाई. 2200 dear for all the kotas, whichever you want. Fast booking, prompt booking. Book fast, dear friends. 2200 for all my kotas. With the soft zari border also. 2200 with the cotton blouse piece. The kotas. Only during this season, you'll get kotas from Greenhouse. This is the one. Aha, indigo color. Best for your summer. आराम से पहनिए, ऐसे बैठिए पहन के. Oh, it's so lovely. Beautiful thing. कोटा पहन के बैठिए. Kotas are really good. Lot of kotas I have shown you today. Oh, this was our last piece. This is the last piece. So with lot of this thing, hopes. And let me see what you are taking. And take care of yourselves. It's too much heat these days. Take plenty of water, anything fluid, and try to be in shade. Or if you go out also, be very careful. Shabdhane jan. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for giving me so much time. Love you all.